Hi, it's Gary from Cadex Electronics. Today we'll be setting up an analyzer to meet ICAO Dangerous Goods Transport regulations. We'll set up the battery down to 30% state of charge and we'll go through it on your analyzer. For new aviation rules, batteries shipped in containers need to be around the 30% mark for proper safety regulations and to meet fire hazards. So to do this, we could set up the analyzer to either discharge the battery down to 30% or charge it up to 30%. There's a third way where we could also discharge it down to a certain voltage. So we'll go through those steps and set it up on the analyzer right now. So for most users, basically they'll have the adapter and the battery that they want to discharge down to 30%. To do that, just insert the adapter into the station. And what we'll need to do is actually create a custom program. On the analyzer itself, press the menu button and use the up and down arrow keys until you see program settings. Press enter to select that and look for custom programs. Press enter to select that. Oh, went too far. And this screen will show you the different custom program slots you could modify. On each analyzer you have 4 different custom slots. So find one that's free and select it. Each custom program has 6 different phases, the last phase being the done phase. Each phase is divided into 2 cycles and 1 test. For this application, we'll just be using 1 cycle of 1 phase. Hit the right arrow key to go down to phase 1 and modify that to a discharge only. For a 1C discharge rate, we'll need to discharge for 42 minutes at the full 1C rate. Once that's done, you can skip cycle, skip task, and go to the last phase. Verify that it's ready, no charge. The other options may be trickle charge or ready trickle charge. So once that's set, press enter, and it'll ask you to modify the custom name. You can use the up and down arrow keys to modify it to whatever program name you wish. For this application, I'll state it as SOC 30. Oops. Press enter to save, press enter to confirm. Once the custom program is set, you just need to specify it on your adapter. Hit the edit key, look for advanced features, and select your custom program. Press enter to save, enter again to confirm, and you're good to go. So as the battery reaches down to the 42-minute mark, the battery will finish and it'll show you the open circuit voltage, and basically it's doing nothing and it'll be 0 current. And it's good to go. Option will show you how to discharge the battery and then charge it back up to the 30% mark. So the first thing you'll need to do is actually create a custom program. To do that, on the analyzer, hit the menu button and look for program settings. Press enter for that and look for custom programs. Press enter on that and it'll give you an option to change one of 4 custom programs. So look for one that's blank and press enter. And the first screen you'll see is the phase 1. Each custom program is divided into 6 different phases, the last phase being the done phase. So for phase 1, what we'll need to do is discharge the battery until it's empty. And then charge it back up to a set time. For a 1C rate, we need to adjust the minutes to 18 minutes and that'll be around the 30% mark. Once that's done, change the custom program name, or you can leave it the way it is if you remember what setting it's at. And it'll ask you if you want to save and confirm. To set up that test, insert the adapter and adjust the program name. Hit the edit key and change the custom program to the one that you modified. Press enter to save, and enter it again to confirm. So at this point, when you enter the battery, it'll run through a full discharge and it'll charge back up to the 30% mark. For the third option, you'll need to create a custom C code. The C code will use a different chemistry like NiCad. For a typical single cell lithium, it'll be a 3-cell NiCad. You'll just need to adjust the end of discharge voltage to meet whatever end of discharge value you wish. For a 3.6 volt, you're probably looking at a 0.8 volt per cell drop. For more information, click on the application note, or you could also get more information on our products on the product page. You can also ask any additional questions on the comment section below, or you can go to our website at www.cadex.com. And don't forget, subscribe.